These 20 fun facts about the brain reveal everything from its massive energy demands to its hidden abilities. But the number one fact about what it can survive will leave you speechless. 20 facts, counting down, and wait until you hear number 1. Here's number 20. The human brain accounts for just 2% of your body weight, yet it consumes 20% of all the energy and oxygen your body uses daily. This disproportionate demand shows how vital the brain is and why it needs constant fuel to operate efficiently without interruption. At number 19, 60% of your brain is composed of fat, making it the fattiest organ in the entire human body by a significant margin. This fat is crucial for building cell membranes and helping neurons send signals at high speeds throughout your nervous system. Number 18. Scientists estimate the human brain contains around 86 billion individual neurons, each capable of forming thousands of connections with other cells. These neurons communicate through electrical and chemical signals, allowing your brain to process information at lightning speeds continuously. Here's number 17. Your brain has a unique cleaning system known as the glymphatic system that removes waste products and toxins primarily while you are sleeping at night. This process is 10 times more active during sleep, helping prevent buildup of harmful proteins linked to Alzheimer's disease. At number 16, the left and right hemispheres of your brain are linked by a thick bundle of over 200 million nerve fibers called the corpus callosum. This bridge allows constant communication between both sides, enabling coordinated thought and activity across the entire brain structure. Number 15. Working hard or relaxing your brain constantly produces around 20 watts of electrical power, enough to illuminate a small light bulb if harnessed properly. This electricity comes from the combined activity of all those billions of neurons firing signals back and forth every second. Here's number 14. In the REM stage of sleep, your brain becomes incredibly active, showing brainwave patterns that closely resemble those seen during wakeful consciousness. This is when most vivid dreams occur and your body is paralyzed to prevent you from acting out those dreams physically. At number 13, your brain contains approximately 100 trillion synapses, which are the tiny gaps where neurons communicate with each other using chemical messengers. This vast number of connections allows for the storage of countless memories, skills, and experiences throughout your lifetime. Number 12. In the first 3 years of life, a child's brain creates over 1 million new neural connections every single second at an astonishing rate. This rapid development is why early childhood experiences have such a profound impact on lifelong learning and behavior patterns. Here's number 11. Each of your eyes has a blind spot where the optic nerve exits, but your brain seamlessly fills in the missing information using surrounding details. You never notice this gap in vision because the brain predicts and creates a continuous image for your conscious awareness. At number 10, the popular myth that humans use only 10% of their brains is completely false, as modern scans show we use all brain areas. Different tasks activate different regions, but over a day, nearly every part of the brain gets used for something important. Number 9. Losing as little as 2% of your body water through dehydration shrinks brain tissue and significantly impairs your focus, memory, and coordination abilities. Drinking sufficient water can reverse this shrinkage and restore normal cognitive performance within a short time period. Here's number 8. Playing a musical instrument engages both hemispheres of the brain and can increase gray matter volume in areas related to memory and motor skills. Studies show consistent practice leads to structural brain changes that improve coordination, hearing, and even mathematical reasoning abilities. At number 7. London taxi drivers have significantly larger hippocampi compared to average people because they memorize the complex layout of over 25,000 streets. This physical brain change demonstrates how intensive spatial training can literally enlarge specific regions over time. Number 6. Smells have a direct pathway to the brain's emotional centers, which explains why certain odors can instantly trigger vivid memories from many years ago. The olfactory bulb connects directly to the amygdala and hippocampus, bypassing other sensory processing routes entirely. Here's number 5. Nerve impulses in the brain travel up to 200 miles per hour, allowing you to process and react to information almost instantly. This rapid transmission across billions of neurons creates your seamless experience of conscious thought and awareness. At number 4. Contrary to old beliefs, the adult human brain continues producing new neurons in the hippocampus, a process called neurogenesis that supports learning and memory formation. This cell birth increases with physical exercise and mental stimulation, helping maintain cognitive function as we age. Number 3. Your brain processes approximately 11 million bits of information per second, but your conscious mind is only aware of about 40 bits during that same time. This explains why so much of our behavior and decisions happen without us being fully aware of the underlying reasons. Here's number 2. The cerebral cortex in your brain, when unfolded, covers about 2.5 square feet, which is possible because of its extensive folding patterns. These folds allow for greater surface area and mental capacity, while keeping the brain a manageable size inside the human skull. And finally, the number 1 fact. In a remarkable medical procedure called hemispherectomy, surgeons remove half of a patient's brain to treat severe epilepsy, yet many patients retain normal cognitive abilities afterward. This demonstrates the incredible plasticity of the brain as the remaining half takes over many functions of the removed hemisphere. Which one got you? Comment the number below and subscribe. There's a new list every day.